We are going to solve this equation using the quadratic formula. The equation is a second-degree equation in one variable called a quadratic equation. 4x squared plus 9 equals 12x. So the first thing we're going to do to solve this using the quadratic equation, the quadratic formula, we are going to get the equation into the ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0 form in order to identify the values for a, b, and c. So we move the 12x over, and we have this form. And right below, we'll write ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. That's the general form. So a is equal to 4, b is equal to negative 12, and c is equal to 9. Now the formula is x equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. And now we know which values to plug into it. So that's our next step. Plug these values for a, b, and c. Now, what I want you to do is use parentheses. Replace each of the variables in the formula with parentheses so you don't make an error with the signs. And then plug in the negative 12 wherever the b parenthesis is. Plug in a positive 4 wherever the a parenthesis is, and a 9 wherever the c parenthesis is. Now we're going to simplify. We get 144 minus 144 under the radical. So this turns out to be 12 over 8 because it's added plus or minus 0. Now we factor and cancel, and we get 3 halves for our final answer. I went a little fast there so you can slow it down, rewind it, and take a second look at it. But it was really quite straightforward, quite easy. Now I want you to try this yourself. I want you to solve this second degree equation, x squared plus 8x plus 6 equals 0. And I want you to do it using the quadratic formula. So it's all ready now for you to go ahead and compare the standard form ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0 to identify the a, the b, and the c, plug them into the formula, and do the hardest part, simplify it, and your answer will be dum, 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 dum. Here it is. X equals negative 4 plus or minus the square root of 10.